Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Stand facing slightly to the right and slowly bring your right arm out and up for the first 4 counts. Bend your knees as you bend your right elbow a bit, then straighten your knees as you punch up with your right fist. Do this once again, then bend your knees again before jumping up. Turn to the right by stepping in place until you are facing the camera again. Jump slightly to separate your feet as you extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your index finger and thumb extended. Jump slightly again to bring your feet together as you extend both arms up and out. Bend at the waist, swinging your right arm in front of you and your left arm behind you, then stand back up and swing your right arm straight up. Hop on your right foot as you bring your left knee up and move your right fist near your shoulder as you punch straight up with your left fist. Bring your left foot and arm down and extend your right arm straight up as you hop in place 3 times. Repeat all of these moves again. Put your left hand on your hip as you turn slightly to the left and bend your right elbow to bring your right hand, with your thumb and index finger extended and your palm facing down, near your right shoulder. Alternate bending your right then left knee for a total of 8 times as you move your right hand toward the camera. Hop on your left foot as you bring your right foot up and back and your left arm up. Then hop on your right foot and bring your right arm and left foot up before hopping on your right foot again, kicking forward with your left foot and punching out with your right fist. Bring your left foot down over to the left, then step slightly to the right with your right foot as you swing your left arm forward and your right arm over to the right. Step in place on your left foot as you swing your right arm forward and your left arm over to the left. Repeat the last 2 counts of Section 3 of Part 1 for the next 8 counts. Punch straight out to either side as you kick over to the right with your right foot and hop on your left foot, then bend your elbows to bring your fists in near your shoulders as your right foot comes down and you bring your left foot up. Bring your left foot down behind your right foot as you punch out to opposite sides with both fists, crossing your right arm over your left arm. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, then lower your arms as you turn to the right and look down. Bend down and place your right hand on your left leg, then slide it upward as you stand back up and look at the camera. Repeat Section 4 of Part 1. Bend your elbows and bring your left arm forward and your right arm back as you cross your right foot over your left foot, then cross your left foot over your right foot so that you are facing to the right and switch the positions of your arms. Step away from the camera on your right foot as you swing your arms out and up above your head, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you pull your fists down near your face. Run over to the right side of your dance area and facing slightly to the right, lean to the left, then right as you wave your hands. Then run over to the left side of your dance area and repeat this move in the opposite direction. Run back to the center and face the camera. Jump slightly to separate your feet as you move your right arm up and extend your thumb. Hold this pose for 2 counts, then bend your knees and bring your right fist down near your right shoulder before straightening your legs and punching up with your right fist. Do this once more, then shake your hips to the left as you turn your right heel in and tilt your head to the left. Do this again in the opposite direction, then do so once more on each side. Bend your knees, then straighten them as you extend the index finger of your right hand. Continue bending your knees as you slowly lower your right hand for the next 4 counts. Bend your right elbow a bit to bring your hand in, then spread your fingers and extend your arm down before moving it up slowly as you continue to bend your knees for the next 4 counts. Continue bending your knees for the next 4 counts as you bend your right elbow to bring your hand down, then straighten your arm as you point straight up with your right hand. Bend your right elbow, then straighten it again as you slowly lower your right arm and keep bending your knees for the next 2 counts. Point down and to the left with your right hand and bend your knees before swinging your right arm up and to the right and standing back up. Extend the thumb, index finger, and little finger of your right hand, then with your left hand behind your back, step in on your left foot as you bend your right elbow to bring your right hand in front of your face. Extend your right arm out to the right as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot, then continue to step in place 6 more times as you wave your right arm back and forth. Step over to the right on your right foot and swing your right arm from right to left as you shake your hips to the right, then left. Swing your right arm back over to the right as you shake your hips to the right, then left again. Shake your hips to the right as you swing your right arm over to the left again, then swing your arm over to the right as you slide your right foot over to meet your left foot and bend your right knee to the left. Swing your right arm back to the left as you turn your left knee to the right, then lower your right arm as you step back on your right foot, before slowly moving your right arm out and up. Repeat the first 8 counts of Section 2 of Part 2. Step in place on your left foot as you turn both fists in small circles in front of your chest, with your right fist in front of your left fist. Turn your fists in small circles again as you step in place on your right foot, then step in place on your left foot again as you bend your knees and open your fists to turn your hands inward, then bring them up near your shoulders. Keeping your elbows bent, move your hands out to either side with your palms facing up, then bring your hands together in front of your chest with your palms still up. Extend your arms straight out in front of you, then bend your knees as you swing your arms down, then out to either side and up. Repeat sections 2 and 3 of part 1. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot, then bring both hands in front of your chest with your palms facing up, before bending your knees slightly and moving your hands out to either side, keeping your elbows bent. Put both hands on your chest and lean forward, then stand back up and move your hands out to either side slightly. Turn slightly to the right and lower your left arm as you bring the back of your right hand up to your forehead. Curl the fingers of your right hand in and turn your hand so that your palm is facing in as you pull it down slowly before moving your hands out to either side a bit as before. With your palms facing out, cross your arms in front of you, then uncross them. Lower your left arm and step back with your right foot as you swing your right arm up so that your right hand, with your index finger extended, is near the right side of your face, then move your right hand out and down. Repeat section 4 of part 1. Repeat the first 4 counts of section 6 of part 1, then repeat the same movements in the opposite direction. While facing the camera, wave with both hands for 2 counts, then put both hands on your chest and lean forward for the next 2 counts. Continue waving for the next 12 counts. Repeat part 2. Extend the thumb, index finger, and little finger of your right hand and move your hand up and down in time with the music as you hop in place for the next 32 counts. You can hop in a circle or on one foot or however you like. Stand facing the camera, and with your right hand still in position, bend your elbow to bring your hand in front of your face as you lean to the left. Spin your right arm in a small clockwise circle, then extend your arm over to the right as you lean to the right. Spin your right arm in a small counterclockwise circle, then bend your elbow to bring your hand back in front of your face as you lean to the left again. Repeat this move 3 more times. Continue the arm movements from the previous section for the next 16 counts, but feel free to walk around this time. Step over to the right with your right foot and look to the right as you point to the right with your right hand. Then kneel down on your right knee so that you are facing to the left, and point to the left with your right hand as you look in the same direction. Jump slightly as you stand up to bring your feet together and face the camera again as you extend both arms up and out. Lower your left arm and move your right arm so that it is straight up, then hop on your right foot and bring your left knee up, moving your right fist near your shoulder and punching straight up with your left fist. Bring your left foot and arm down and extend your right arm straight up as you hop in place 3 times. Repeat the last 8 counts of section 2 of part 1, then repeat section 3 of part 1. Bend your right knee to the right and extend your right arm up with your palm facing up, then pull your right fist down near your right shoulder on the last beat.